Hello guys, welcome back to Template Tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful certificate like this. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, you have to go and change the layout here to blank. And then you move on to the design tab and go to the right side of your screen. You will see something like slide size here. Click on it and go and customize your slide size. So the default one that you see there will be widescreen. Just click on it this way and click on A4. And leave it landscape here and click on maximize. And then click on OK and then maximize. So now I want us to right click on this slide here and go and click on format background. So when this properties appears here, so first of all change the color of it to this color. And again, by not stopping there, we'll move on to the insert tab and go and click on shapes. So you see this rectangle shape under the recent use shapes. You don't have it under the recent use, but you have it somewhere around here. So just click on it this way and draw a rectangle like this. So after drawing your rectangle, you simply have to make sure that the color of the rectangle will not be there. So how do I do that? I can easily come under the shape format here and remove the shape fill to no fill. Then you move on to the line drop down section. You see something like width. So the width here, you can increase it to 2 or 3. And with the color, I'll click on this one and I'll click on this color. So I'll then click on this one again and I'll go back to more colors because I'm going to customize this color. So when I start moving this cursor or this cursor right here, or pointer, you start to see that the new color there will be changing. So I'll choose something like this here. So I think I'm okay with this one, so I'll then click on OK. So you see what happens. So I'll just gently align it at the center. Alright, I think it's now at the center. So now I want us to go back to the insert tab and insert another rectangle. So I'll simply draw it small like this. And I'll make sure the outline will be removed. And the shape will be the dark red. So I'll align that one at the top left corner. So I'll also make sure that I'll make another copy to the bottom side. And that one will also be at the bottom right corner. Alright, so now let's go back to the insert tab again. Go to shapes and we are going to insert a rectangle diagonal corners, which is right here. So let me simply draw it this way. So I drew the rectangle diagonal corners, but I wanted this one, the slope here, to be on this right side, and this one will also be on this right side. This one will be on the left side, this one will be on the right side. So to do that, you can simply drag this one to this side to achieve that. So you see what happens now. So let's remove the outline. Let me make sure the outline has been removed. And the shape fill also, let's use color white. So I'll increase the width here. So I'll increase it also as well. So let me make sure that this one also will align at the center. Very good. So now let's go back to the insert tab again. Go to shapes. And we are now going to insert isosceles triangle. So the isosceles triangle also, make sure you remove the outline. And the shape fill, it should be the customized yellow that we just did. So I'm just trying to rotate it so that it will fit well here. So let me just send it to the back. So now I'm just going to make another copy here and rotate that one also. So you have to make sure that this one also be sent to the back. Alright, so I think it's not looking bad. So now let's go back to the insert tab. We are now going to start inserting text box. So I will click here to insert my first text box here. So the first text that I'm to insert will be certificate. So I'll use my Ctrl A to select it and I'll align it to the center. So I'll come here and I'll change the font to area rounded. And with the size I'll go with 40. And the color I'll choose color right here. So I'll gently align that one here at the center. And now again, I'll make another copy here by pressing and holding the control key, and I'll select all of this one and change the text to of appreciation. So when I select it this way, the font size will be half of this one, so that will be 20, and the font style itself will be the semi-bold, and the color will go with color black. So I'll align that one at the bottom of it and make another copy here, and I'll change this text to this certificate is proudly presented to. So let's change the font of it also. So I'll go with this one, and the size I'll make it okay. I was to go with 22, but let me just leave it 20. So it will be aligned here, and next to it, it will be the name and surname. So if you have one, you can place it in there, name and surname. So the font will be Edward script, and with the size, it will go with 60 or 66, depending on what you've been using. So I'll make it bold, and the color of it will be the colored red. But you have to again know that in every instance, whenever you do a certificate, there has to be a paragraph. So I'll just take this one and I'll generate a random one paragraph of 3 lines there. So I'll just select all of this one, and the font will be Calibri, and the size will be 18. So I'll align it at the bottom of this one, and lastly, I'll take this one again and I'll make another copy here. So this one will be signature, and the signature, the font size will be 18. So if it is aligned here, then on the right side we also have date, and the date also will be aligned somewhere around here. So now I want us to go back to the insert tab, go to shapes, and we are going to look for straight line. So I have a line here. I'll simply come and draw my straight line here. So I'll just align that one at the center here, and make sure that the width will be 1. So the color also, I'll make sure that it will be black. So I'll just make another copy here, and now I'll make another copy also here. So I'll make sure the height to the width will increase. And also I'll come here and change the weight here to 2. But the color also, it will not be black, it will be color red. So now I want us to zoom in and scroll to this side, and we'll go back to the insert tab again, go to shapes, and we'll insert another straight line. So I'll insert it right here. So with this one also, the width will be 2, and the color will be color red. So make sure you just make a copy of this one to the left side, to avoid you going back there to insert another one. So let me zoom out. So lastly, the one thing again that I want us to do here is to insert a medal here. So just go to insert tab, go to pictures. That's if you have to insert a picture, because the medal is a picture. So there is in my device. I'm not going to work with online pictures, so I'll go with this device. So this is where my medal is also located. I'll just double click on it to insert it. So I'll reduce the size there, and make sure it will be aligned at the top left corner here. Alright, so I think this way is not looking bad. So as you can see, everything is well fit and done. Thank you so much for watching, and see you later.